So this snowstorm just kind of like came out of nowhere. Wasn't supposed to be nearly this bad. The weather is like, it's not quite freezing, or it's just like right below freezing. And so the snow is really wet and heavy, and it's just adding up like really quick. Like you can see those tracks that just formed right there. I bet that's right now 1 to 2 inches. I don't know if you saw that deer, but the deer are confused, and everybody is, I don't think anyone expected it to be quite like this today. But I'm driving about 40 miles an hour, and it's about 6 o'clock, and visibility is pretty low. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy out here.